Okay guys, I just finished the weekly forward analysis for the week of 20th March up to 24th of March. So if you guys haven't checked it out, it's on the YouTube channel. So just click the YouTube channel and just check it out. It will be right there. Don't worry. And there's one thing I want to show you guys. This is the top 4 Google Chrome extensions that I use to improve my trading. So let's check it out. Alright, the first one is actually the Forex Economic Calendar Market and News. So this is really useful if you want to keep note of any key events that's going to pop up. So I'll be just like checking the charts, etc, etc, and then I'll just click this. Make sure you pin it on your taskbar because it's really useful, and you can see all of the upcoming. Oh, no thanks. Just a note, this is not a paid promotion. I forgot to mention that. Any of this is not paid promotion. This is just me sharing my knowledge with you guys. So okay, it's currently loading right now, but this is basically what you'll be seeing, which is all of the news upcoming, news that is going to pop up. And if you want, it's from my FS book. Okay, you guys can sign in, sign up. That's up to you guys. The second one, okay, let's X this out, is a calculator. Now let's be honest, although we can use our phones to calculate, etc, etc, I believe it is much better to just make the calculation off here. We can type in anything. 6 minus 7, I think it's 1. I'm kidding, it's -1, obviously. So it's really useful if you want to like calculate any key levels or your stop loss, how many pips that is. You can use this right from the taskbar. This is really useful. I'm gonna make this a super short video. The next one is the Forex time. Now, let's be real honest. We all live in different time zones, and it's not easy for us to keep track of the market open and market close. And this is especially true with all the daylight saving shifts and etc. So, time shift by 1 hour in different time zones. So it gets us really confused. But with this handy Chrome extension, you can see every single thing. So when, let's just say Sydney is open right now, you would see the status, it says open. In this whole column will be green. And they will count down to when Tokyo, London, and New York is going to open. So this is really useful for you guys. It makes it so much easier rather than just looking at the time right there. Okay, let's just say we want a 1 hour chart, right? Say we're looking at the time. Oh, okay, what time is it? Oh, it's 5 a.m. Oh, is markets going to close? Is the US market going to close? Well, that is for my time zone. Like, instead of messing your head up with calculating, just open this and you guys will find out every single thing. And let's move on to the last one. This is so simple. It's this one. It's called the Super Simple Highlighter. This is ultra useful for highlighting key points, key notes. It doesn't matter which website. All you have to do is add this to your Chrome and put special hotkeys onto your keyboard where you can highlight anything you want on any single website. This is especially useful for me when it comes to analyzing news. So right now I'm on Forex Factory, and I typically like to highlight all of key events that is gonna occur in the coming week, because this is really useful, because sometimes I'll just like scroll through and I'll miss it. But if it's highlighted, I will 100% notice it. So for example, I put my control as control 1 for green, control 2 for orange, and control 3 for red. For example, flash manufacturing PMI of the euro, I didn't want it green, I'll just make it green. I'll make this orange, I'll make this red, and you can change any single color that you want. So it's really useful to make sure that you guys do not miss the important points. And this also works when you're taking notes. For example, this is a website. Let's just say this is baby pips. Okay, I was like, okay, this is very important point. Key levels are very important, etc. Boom. Oh, maybe you can't edit here. Okay, never mind. Let me just quickly go to baby pips. Quickly do this for you guys. Okay, let's see. A lot of users are very passionate about Forex, blah 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 blah. Oh, this is important. Let's highlight it. Boom. It highlights it for you. and no matter whether you refresh the page, it's gonna be there. And let it load, don't fail me. All right, there it is. And when you press the super simple highlighter, you can also see, let's just see, where is it? Pages, press this. So if you open up the super simple highlighter, no, sorry, it's not this one, guys. Let's see, I think it's pages. It should be under pages, but it's bugging right now. But normally, from what you can see, is you press this, you go on the pages, and we show you all your highlighted points across each and every website. And that's kind of slow right now. That's probably why it's not working. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this super short video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, because big things and very valuable gems are coming. And you guys can trust me on this. I think the next video I'm probably going to do is teach you guys how to efficiently use TradingView. And I'm going to focus on the week first, because trades come first. I'm going to focus on taking trades first, but whenever I'm free, I'm going to make a full video of how to use TradingView to the fullest potential, even if it's a free account. It doesn't matter whether you have a paid account, a pro, or anything. I'll teach you guys how to use it so efficiently that you don't even need a pro account. Alright, till then, peace out, guys.